Welcome back to another installment of Sound Designer for the Beginners. For me, sound design, it's not only about going to the field and recording the sounds in my studio, find the interesting objects and bring them and manipulate them in my workstation, adding different variety of effects and creating something unique. For me, sound design is also exploring with so many different tools what's outside of typical recordings. So for the example, I can use my hardware synthesizers or some digital device, or I can use some virtual instruments. And I have to say, for many years, I've been collecting so many synthesizers and I spent so much money on them. But in the last few years, the technology and the computers improved so much, then the virtual instruments what's coming, they are just sounds incredible and you can get insane, cool, very interesting sounds. So this is why I decided to make this video today and dedicate and show you how I'm using virtual instrument. And for this presentation today, I want to using Super Saw from Native Instruments. Super Saw was released like a couple weeks ago and it's already a lot of videos online. And when I watch them, most of the people showing the same thing. Presets and the going overview, typical overview, and just going for the clicks, for the views and showing you and telling you this is great for the techno, for dance, what do you want to do. Guys, I have this instrument for a little over 3 weeks, maybe even 1 month. Native Instruments sent me advanced copy and just say, see if you like it. And you know, first I was like, okay, it's a saw, it's like, and I finally opened the instrument and I started playing, and guys, the first presets when I hit, it struck me, it's like, whoa, this thing is different. Then I learned that Super Saw it's made based on the foundation of the Reactor. So I know Reactor is just insane, crazy instrument. So I know it's gonna be good. So I don't know much about the guy who actually produced this instrument together with Native Instruments, but all I know, it sounds very inspired to me and immediately triggered me to creating some unique sounds. And the more I play, I just decide, why, you know what I mean? I have to show you this, guys, because I want to show you today in this video, just in the first preset, when you open the Super Saw, you're going to click, go to the browser, and the first preset is going to go after the storm. This is the first preset when you open. And I just started play with this thing, and it's like, oh my God, this sounds like huge underscore Hollywood movie. So I will show you step by step what I'm doing to creating this process, and hope this thing's gonna inspire you, because I really believe just thinking Super Saw is dedicated to music, dance producers and pop music, you will be wrong, guys. This is very serious, danger instrument, what for a lot of us of sound designers or the composers, it's gonna become very handy tool. So enough talking, let's jump to the video, to the presentation, and just watch me, what I'm doing. And all I'm gonna do today is just playing with one patch. So let's jump in. So first thing I'm gonna do, because when you're gonna hit, it sounds like typical synthesizer, like so. This is the sound what you hear. First thing I'm gonna do, I usually do, I just gonna go couple octaves down and sounds like this. It's lower right away. Then I hear this effects what's coming here, and you know, it's great to have this, but personally I'm not fan of using any of these internal effects. And a lot of composers, they're probably gonna go first thing, they're gonna turn off all these effects, because to be honest with you, all the delay, chorus and reverb, they already bake in the sound, they will be for them very hard to blend with the other sounds, whatever they're using in the score and anything. And they're probably gonna go to like something different, more dark, more cinematic. So for this example, instead, this I will be using today, the Cinematic Rooms Professional. And the preset what I'm using is very simple. It's a dark cathedral, it's a stock preset, and it's fantastic. So this is how the instrument right now sound without any effects. It sounds very basic, but now look at this. Just let's tune my reverb. It's already getting more depth. And now let's go with the mod wheel and bring a little bit down. There we go. And a little bass. And this is what I love about sound design. It's not only the tools, it's also your imaginations, the way how you hear the sound. It's mean if you train your ear, you can start playing with all these filters, what's already built in. It's mean all I've been doing, just virtually play with the XY pad, with the mix, with the tune 1 and 2, and the oscillators. What's already pre-map right here. So if you have an already native control, you will see everything right here. But if not, it's very easy. Just pre-map this to any MIDI controller or just use your mouse and do programmed animation. But this is, guys, very simple, very useful. And everything what I show you, again, there was bass and the one sound. So, guys, I would love to challenge you. If you can do anything, something cool, creating just with the one patch from any sounds, just send it to me. I would love to hear. Because remember, it's not only about the sound. It's about the story, how you're going to develop the sounds, about telling something, what's gonna happen, you know, because the scene, it sometimes go for like a minute or 2 minutes, and you don't want to change too much. You just want to tell the story just like the story are told on the scenes in the movie or in the video games. So this is why I think this instrument just completely change my mind how I approach right now if I want to get this big Hollywood sounding sound, because it's so easy, you know, like I don't have to take right away to the stock libraries and sounds like someone else. It's like, no, I can just grab this one sound and make it sound like me. So hope this video give you some inspiration, and you're gonna go jump and explore with some virtual or hardware synthesizers and try creating something cool. So guys, that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.